Now we will see question number 9. Using vectors, show that points A coordinates are -2, 1, B coordinates are -5, -1, and C coordinates are 1, 3 are collinear. Now, as we have done in the previous questions, so we can say that AB vector is equal to position vector of point B minus position vector of point A. This will be equal to position of vector of point B is -5 I cap minus 1 j cap, that is j cap, minus, now position vector of point A will be -2 I cap plus 1 j cap, that is j cap. Simplify this, so it will be -5 I cap minus j cap plus 2 I cap minus j cap, that is -3 I cap minus 2 j cap. Similarly, we can find BC vector BC. So vector BC will be equal to position vector of point C minus position vector of point B. This will be equal to, now point C is 1, 3. So it will be 1 I cap, that is I cap, plus 3 j cap minus position vector of B will be, since coordinates are -5, -1, so it will be -5 I cap minus j cap. Simplify this, so it will be I cap plus 3 j cap plus 5 I cap plus j cap, that is 6 I cap plus 4 j cap. Now two vectors are parallel or collinear if they can be written in the form as lambda times of another vector. If A and B are collinear or parallel, then we have studied that A should be equal to lambda times of vector B. So here we find that BC vector can be written as 6 I cap plus 4 j cap, which is equal to, if I take -2 common, I obtain -3 I cap minus 2 j cap, that is -2 times of vector AB. That is, one vector is written in the lambda times of another vector form. Means BC vector and AB vector both are either collinear or parallel. But here we find that B point is common. B point is common in both vectors. So they are collinear vectors. Therefore, AB vector and BC vector are collinear. That is ABC are collinear points. ABC are collinear. They lie on the same line, and this is what we are to prove, hence proved. Question number 10. Find a unit vector parallel to vector -3 I cap plus 4 j cap. Let us take this vector as vector A. That is, we have been given here vector A is equal to minus 3 I cap plus 4 j cap. Now we know that unit vector is represented as A cap, and this is defined as vector A upon modulus of vector A. So this will be equal to minus 3 I cap plus 4 j cap, and modulus of vector A will be under root of minus 3 square plus 4 square. Simplifying this, so this gives us minus 3 I cap plus 4 j cap upon under root of 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So under root of 25, which becomes under root of 25 is 5. So it is minus 3 upon 5 I cap plus 4 upon 5 j cap. This is our required unit vector.